Welcome to Viva World. Today we're going to be showing you how important it is to wash your hands, especially during the coronavirus, also known as the COVID-19. So that means why you're actually like irritated when your mother always asks you to wash your hands before eating and wash your hands after going out. So you'll be irritated, but there is actually for your good health. It's really for that soap and water actually cleans your hands very good. There's actually bacteria and germs all over. So that's why it's very important to wash your hands. So we're going to show you how important it is to wash your hands with an experiment. So yeah, let's get started. So for this experiment you need water, soap and pepper. So the water will act as the surface of our hands. The pepper will act as the germs and the soap will act as when you wash your hands. So first we are going to be pouring water in the bowl. And then put some pepper. Can I do this step? Yes. Let's dip my hand in. See how dirty it looks? Next, let's take finger and soap and putting it in. See? Now. Guys, did you see how the pepper moved away? Yeah. Similarly, when you wash your hands, the soap destroys the germs. So that's why soap is our number one hero for COVID-19. It's actually like the COVID-19 which dies when you put soap in it. Yeah, that's why it's important to wash your hands. We are going to tell you some tips how to stay safe from COVID-19. First of all, wear mask while going out. Second of all, try maximum not to go out if possible. Yeah. Third of all, if you're going out and you don't have soap or water, take a sanitizer with you that contains at least 60% alcohol. Yeah. So whenever you touch things, it just kills by your sanitizer. Yes. Then always. And when you go outside, make sure to keep 2 meters away from each other. But don't worry if you're always getting near your parents all the time. It's okay if it's your family member. Yes. And also, when you go outside or before eating, wash your hands with soap and water at least for 20 seconds. Yeah. So hope you like this video, guys. If you did, subscribe to the channel and like and share this video. Bye! Do you like my new hairstyle? So you might be wondering why. The